external service of Radio Ghana, the voice of the revolution. We are calling Europe on 9.545 megahertz, 41.43 meters. Here is the summary of our program. Time for highlights is on the air at 20:45. In our 21 hours, it presents letters from the news broadcast at 21:15 is followed by extracts from the Ghanaian paper. African Forum is at 21:30. And tonight, we broadcast a discussion on the ACP campaign which ended in Accra last Wednesday. In the chair is Sandra Ndodi, and other speakers are Mr. Neil, leader of the Liberation Delegation, CSO, and KB Asante, Senior President Secretary at the Ministry of Economic Affairs. President Sado, which is collected and held at 22 hours. We close down at 22:50. That's the end of this program summary. This is the external service of Radio Ghana. 20:45 Philippine time. Time for highlights. Hello and welcome to this portion section of Highlight Meeting. Lessons for your enjoyment. For our curtain raiser, let's listen to Dr. KJC and his legacy. This life called Nokom Kudiaku.